So in this question, we are required to find Kc. Okay, we need to find Kc. But what information do we have? We have the initial concentrations of CO and H2. And CO is 0.5 m, H2 is 1 m. Okay? So the first step, we put down the equation. Will give us CH3OH. Okay, so we have three rows. They are initial, change, and add EQM, right? So initial would be 0.5 for CO, H2 would be 1. This is 0. Okay, so the concentration of CO is 0.15. At EQM 0.15 because, okay, understand? So what is the change? The change is actually the new value minus the old value. So 0.15 minus 0.5 equals negative 0.35. Okay, so this would be positive 0.35. Why? Because this is negative 0.35 and the mole ratio is 1 to 1. So their change would be 1 to 1. But the positive and negative sign would be reversed because this is the product. Okay? So this would be 0.35. So how about H2? Because the mole ratio of CO to H2 is 1 to 2, so the change would be 1 to 2. So if here is negative 0.35, here should be negative 0.35 times 2. Because this is, if this is 2, this is 2. Understand? So this is negative 0.7. And here is 1 minus 0.7 equals 0.3. So it seems that we have completed the table, and now let's find Kc. How can we find Kc? First step, we put down the expression of Kc. And then CO, equilibrium concentration, equals, we substitute the corresponding value, okay? CH3OH is 0.35 over H2 would be 0.3 square. Okay? This is square, and this is 2 times 0.15, which is equal to 25.9. And the last step, this is the first step, this is the second step, and what is the last step? The last step is to calculate the units, okay? So what is the unit? We have mole per dm cube divided by mole per dm cube square, and also mole per dm cube. So these two cancel out each other, so it is 1 over mole per dm cube square. So it would be mole per dm cube to the power negative 2, right? If it is a negative power, it means 1 over the value. So we have mole and then dm to the power 6. Understand? Okay, so we have completed this question.